Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record multiple audio tracks in OBS 2024. So let's go to OBS first. Now you have to go to settings, this one. After go to settings, you have to go to output, this one. And then you can see here it should be in simple option like this, but you have to click on this and make it advanced. And then you have to click on recording, the second tab. Then you'll find here audio track. Here you can see the cursor, right? Audio track, which is one. If you want multiple, then you can choose 2, 3, 4, or even 5 to 6. Okay, after that you have to click on this apply and then click on OK. After click on OK, you have to remember one thing, that which is you have to make it, the recording format should be mkv. Okay, then you have to click on this apply and then click on OK. After that, if you start recording, it will be taking multiple recordings, audio recordings. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.